Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create an account on Yuewen. So Yuewen is perfect for reading Chinese web novels and comics. Within just a few simple taps, you will be ready to get started with it. So without further delay, let's jump right in. First of all, I would recommend you to do this step in your web browser only, because in your web browser you are going to get the option of translate in English because their website is completely in the Chinese language. So once you come here on the official website of un.com, over here click on the option of join us in the top right hand corner of the screen. As I've told you earlier, you are going to see all of the details and the tabs here in the Chinese language. So simply right click on this page, then click on the option of translate in English. Now, as soon as you do that, you are going to see the option of delivery immediately. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you are also going to see the option of sign up. So once you see the option of sign up, you just have to simply provide your phone number, because you can only create your account here with the help of the phone number. After selecting your country code, you need to add your phone number and wait for some time until you get a verification code. Once you get the verification code, you need to enter that and follow further instructions like creating a strong password for your account, then confirming your password, then entering your nickname or your username. Can be anything that you like. Just make sure that it is unique on UN. After that, you can also check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can simply tap on the option of sign in or log in order to log in into your account with the credentials that you have used while creating your account over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.